Hi guys, it's Sarah and Freya here. We're back for another installment of JAMM. So as you've seen this year, we've started going through more mobility focused drills and things that we often do here in the clinic, but we also think that you'd be able to do from home. So today we're going to work through a funny little drill called Pigeon. So why did we choose Pigeon, Freya?
So Pigeon is a fantastic stretch for your glutes. Now the glute muscles often get tight if you had quite a heavy, strenuous exercise session or if you've been sitting for long periods of time.
So as per our previous JAMM videos, we're going to give you some of our top tips. We're also going to show you ways that you can take the original Pigeon and make it harder or easier dependent on your ability. Hope you enjoy it.
So first up we have the original Pigeon stretch. As you can see, Robin is trying to bring her shin near parallel and sliding her back leg as far back as possible whilst remaining nice and upright in her torso. So here we have a progression of the original Pigeon pose. These are for the star students in the class. They're quite challenging, but as you can see, Robin is placing her other limbs in a position that make the original Pigeon stretch a little bit harder. So here we have a regression or an easier choice for the Pigeon stretch. As you can see, Robin is using various props to elevate her leg off the ground a little bit more, which helps those who don't want to get on the ground, but also gives you a great stretch.
So there you have it guys, hopefully you've enjoyed our latest installment of JAMM. Stay tuned for the next one, but for now we're signing out as two proud pigeons.